Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper face changing emoji. So this is a very easy way of making a paper face changing emoji, and it is useful too. So it can have more than 48 faces. So you can just change the face like this, and we have like 3 parts over here on the bottom, 3 parts over on this side, 3 over on the top left, and 3 on the top right. So you can just change this emojis like this, and you'll get new emojis, and you'll have more than 48 of these. So this is a really easy way of making a really easy, cute face changing emoji, and it's also really useful and fun to play with. So whenever you're bored, you can make this, and this can also help to increase your creativity. And you can even do like more crafts like this. So for example, you can even do like a ballerina. So you could just draw like a ballerina over here, and you could just like make it as a dancing ballerina, and make the ballerina's legs and hands move. So it's a really fun craft to play with as well. So now without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy craft. So one more cool thing about this craft is that it only requires one material, which is a square piece of paper. So then we'll also need some few markers. That's it. So whenever you're free or whenever you can do it at any place you are, you don't need much materials for this. You do not even need a glue or a scissor or anything. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So for me, I'm just going to be drawing like a smiley. So I'm going to be taking a yellow marker and a black marker for outline. I'm also going to be taking a red marker for drawing the cheeks. So for example, if you're going to be drawing like an apple, so if you just draw an apple over here and a worm going on the apple or something like that, and you can take the colors accordingly. So first step is that I'm taking this square piece of paper, and I'm taking a white one so that decorations can be drawn perfectly. If you guys want, you can take a different color paper as well. So first step is that I'm just going to be folding this paper in half on both the directions. So I'm just going to be folding this piece of paper in half like this, and I'm turning this paper to this side, and I'm going to be folding it in half. So the steps are really simple, so please make sure that you do the creases properly and do it really nice so that it turns out well. So now I'm just going to be folding this paper diagonally like this. Now I'm going to be turning it over here, and I'm going to be folding it diagonally on the opposite side. The next step is that I'm just going to be folding all the 4 sides of this piece of paper to the middle point over here. So please make sure that you fold the foldings down to the bottom and correctly, because if you do not do it properly, then sometimes you might get like out of this and it won't be good enough. So after we complete this, I'm going to turn this piece of paper to the opposite direction, and I'm going to be folding all these 4 sides to the middle point over here. So now I've completed this. So now I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper, and I'm going to be folding it in half. So now I'm going to be turning this one, and I'm going to be folding it to the top over here. Now I'm just going to be opening all these pieces of paper, and I'm going to be opening it so that we'll be leading to the first piece that we started with. Next step is that I'm just going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle line over here. Now I'm going to be folding these 2 sides of the paper to the middle point over here, and I'm going to be opening this. So next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be taking this part, and I'm going to be folding it over here like this. I'm going to be taking this part, and I'm going to be folding it over here so that we'll be having a structure like this. And I'm going to be pushing this down, and I'm going to be repeating the same step. I'm going to be pushing this one down as well. So we just have to do this really slowly. So we just have to fold it on top like that. So we're just supposed to be pushing this side down as well, and I'm going to be pushing it so that we'll have a structure like this. So I'm just going to be repeating the same step on the side of the paper as well. So now I'm just going to be folding this over here on this side. Then I'm also going to be folding this inside on this side of the paper as well. So now I'm just going to be pushing this part in over here, and I'm going to be pushing this one over here, so that we'll have a square piece of paper over like this. So now our paper craft is ready. The next step, an important step for playing, is decoration. So as you guys see, if you take this piece of paper, we can fold it to the top over here, the bottom, like this, like that, and you can do many folds. So first step is that I'm just going to be taking a black marker for drawing. I'm taking a sketch. So if you guys want, you can take like a glue bottle or anything for drawing the trace of the circle. But I am good at drawing, so I'm just going to be drawing the circle by myself. So I'm just going to be drawing the circle really carefully and slowly. So we're supposed to be drawing a big circle like this. So now I'm just completely drawing the circle. So now I'm just going to be putting a big like eye over here, like this. Now I'm just going to be drawing the big smiling mouth over here. So now we've completed with this. Now I'm just going to be taking a yellow marker and I'm going to be coloring it over here and coloring it in completely, because smileys are yellow in color. So if you're going to be doing like an angry emoji or something like that, you can take red and color it in completely in red as well. So please make sure that you do it slowly and properly so that the output will be nice and it turns out well. So now we've completed coloring it in over here and we'll have a cute smiley emoji like this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be taking this top part and I'm going to folding it to the bottom over here, and I'm folding these two parts to the bottom. Then I'm going to be repeating the same step for these two parts as well. So now we'll be having like a completely different page over here, and I'm going to be drawing the same circle emoji over here, and I'm going to be drawing the decorations. So I'm just going to be drawing the circle perfectly again over here. So please wait a second until I complete drawing the circle. So now I've completed drawing the circle and I've done with the circle. So now I'm just going to be doing another emoji. So for this one, I'm just going to be coloring the top eye as a heart. So I'm just going to be drawing a heart over here, and I'm also going to be drawing a heart on the side like this. And for the mouth, I thought of like doing like a shaky mouth. So I'm just going to be like drawing squiggly lines over here like this. So the next step is that we're supposed to be coloring it inside as well. So I'm going to be coloring it completely in over here. So please wait a second until I complete this. So until I do this, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now we've completed with this. So now I'm just going to be folding it to the side that we haven't done yet over here. And we have completed it over here, so I'm going to be folding it to the top. Then now we haven't completed it on this side, so I'm going to be folding it to the bottom over here and to the top. So now we have like a completely different page right now. So I'm just going to be drawing one more big circle over here. So if you want, you can even search in Google and you can find like more emoji patterns and you can draw that if you like. But I'm just going to be drawing a few simple emojis that I know. If you want, you can use complicated ones. So now we've completed with the circle, and if you want, please make sure that the circle is perfect. So for example, if you fold it over here, see that the lines are not perfectly lined. So it's better if you use the same size for all the emojis, and you can take a compass for drawing it, or if you're a small child, you can just use a glue bottle or place it around a bangle or something if you're making a bigger size. So for this one, I'm just going to be drawing another thing, which is I'm just going to be drawing like a big circle over here, and I'm going to be coloring the circle inside over here. So please make sure you do it perfectly in the line so that it doesn't get mismatched. So now, if you guys have any other suggestions about what I should do for the emoji smiling or anything, you can comment in the comment box below and you can use your own designs. So for this one, I'm just going to be making like a big smiley face. So I'm just going to be putting like a small smile over here. Now I'm going to be connecting it to make it like a bigger smile like this. So now we've completed, we have like a bigger mouth, and now I'm just going to be taking a red marker and I'm going to do it for the cheeks. Now I'm going to be taking a yellow marker and I'm going to be coloring it inside. So please do this slowly. So if you want, you can use like different shades of the marker to make it more beautiful. You can want to give it like a boundary over here or to just do something. So if you want, you can do like the same emoji in all the sides. So if you just do the same emoji, like the same smiley face, and you could like just decorate it by using different colors. So you just draw one same smiley emoji and you could color one side with pink, the other one in blue, red and other colors, etc. So now I've completed drawing this one. So now our smiley emoji is ready. So I'll just show it to you guys. So we can have like a heart-faced one with a smiley thing. You can have like a squiggly mouth with the same different eyes. Then we can have one like this over here. You can have this one with the two eyes. Then we can have the heart one. Then we could just change it over here, and we can have one like this with a squiggly mouth over here, and you could do more smiley emojis like that. So after we complete this, our paper face changing emoji is ready. So please make sure you do it in the correct side so that it will be turning out perfectly. You could gift it to your small children, your siblings, or you can even do it for cousins, or you can even do it for yourself for playing it for a small child. If you have any, if you're like a preschooler, you could try this out and show it to your teacher. They'll be really happy for you. So after you complete this, our paper face changing emoji is ready. So you guys can do more decorations, patterns, and do it and use it for many things. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all of you for supporting me and my channel, and keep continuing to watch my channel for more interesting and cool videos like this. If you have any ideas about what I should post in my channel, please comment that in the comment box below as well. I'll see to your comments, and if you have any doubts, you can comment that in as well. And if you have any ideas for what should I post on my channel, you can comment that, and I'll see to your comments as soon as possible and respond to them as soon as I'm free. And if I'm good at making the craft you wanted, I'll also make that as soon as possible, and I'll do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.